be focusing. In retail, what we are covering presently, yesterday I had covered one case study. Today, one important theory I will be covering. What is that theory? That theory is on business models, and definitely it comes in exam. Number one. Number two, I will be covering Maslow's hierarchy. So that also you will see in the exam. Okay. So let's move on. Download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study material, current affairs, job alerts, live video lectures. Plus, you will be getting tests. Everything, whatever you need for online education, you will be getting it for all the banking, JAIIB, CAIIB, and other exams. Also, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. See this. This series is presently going on Officers Adda 24/7. So you get many of the free YT series on Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. Okay. So subscribe to this immediately. Now this is the new batch for retail which has started. Okay, just one day back. Okay. So join this batch ASAP. You'll get the recorded videos also. More on this later. See, let's come to the topic. Business process structure in retail banking. So what are the business processes and what are the various models in retail banking? There are four broadly defined process models implemented across the banks. So which are the four ones? Okay, these models are, one sec. These models are defined based on the technology and customer interface capabilities of the bank. Now what do you mean by this? Technology and customer interface capabilities means what? See here, there are various types of customer interface models. Like if it's a hub and spoke model, means there is some central team and then branches work just like the salesperson. Okay, that's a different model. If it's generally a branch in nationalized banks, what we follow, branch, then regional office, then zonal office, like that. Okay, so customer interface means how are you interacting with the customer and what are your decision powers. Next is technology. Okay, means what is the level of technology of yours. Generally, see, nowadays everyone is on app, but on app also at what level you are, it depends on that. The four broad classifications are, see, mainly which are used in banking are these ones: horizontally organized model, vertically organized model, predominantly vertically organized models, and predominantly horizontally organized models. Okay, now we'll study one by one each one. Okay, so let's see. Say this: horizontally organized model is a modular structure using different process models for different products, offering end-to-end solutions product wise. Okay, so here basically it means all the products, various products, means let's take one by one, like saving, current, FD, loan also there are various products. So all these products are having different database, different customer database, different customer means they don't interact with each other. That is horizontally organized model. That was done earlier. Here, up to 1990s and 2000 roughly, we had this horizontally organized model mainly in the banking system. So after 2005 to 2010, roughly in that range, the models changed. Now what has happened? The same customer database is used for all the products. Okay, so now we come to the next model, that is vertically organized. So this vertically organized model provides functionality across the products with consumer database orientation, and centralized customer database is used across the products. Okay, it means what? See here, same database of the customers is used for CASA, for loans, for any other. You call it for insurance. Okay, you can use it. Okay, just write to me in the comment section how, means does your bank offer the insurance solutions also? Means do you sell insurance? Basic, keep it very simple. Do you sell insurance in your banks or no? Yes or no? Type yes or no. Yeah. Okay, yes, we sell it because that's a prime bread and butter of banking now, isn't it? So here, vertically organized, we use the database of all the customers for basically saving current, loans, every customer, the database is used for insurance. So that's why it said what? Model provides functionality across the products with customer database orientation, and centralized customer database is used across products. Got it? Predominantly horizontal means predominantly horizontally organized model is mostly product oriented with common customer information for some products. Now some products means what? See here, if I consider horizontally organized products model at level 1 means lowest level, then this predominantly horizontally organized model will be at level 2 means it is a step higher, one step higher than horizontally organized. Here what do? I use common customer database for some products. Okay. Then after that, what will be the next level? The next level will be this predominantly vertically organized model. In predominantly vertically organized model, common information is available for most of the products. Here, not all, most. Okay. So in predominantly vertically, I'll consider it at level 3 now. See here, level 1 was horizontally, 2 was predominantly horizontally, next is predominantly vertically, and last one and the best one is vertically organized. This model is basically, it means same customer database for all the products. So once some saving customer comes to me, I can use that database of that customer for selling him the loan products also, selling him the insurance products also, him or her basically. Okay. So that these are the 4 models, and remember at least 2 of them will be there in the exam. Okay. Now I'll show you the image. See this. Horizontally organized models. Horizontally organized models means what? The customer capture, originate, and product specific. See here, what did we say? It was at level 1. Okay. It means what? Here my product, this home loan person didn't have a database of personal loan person, means section. Personal loan section didn't have the database of credit card section. Okay. So that was the point. So all the departments were separate. Then after level 1, I'll come to level 3 now. Okay. So this will be, let's consider, write it in our sequence. Okay. This is level 1, level 1. Now this will be level 2, predominantly horizontally organized. Here, customer capture plus origination. So both the things are there, but these are for specific products, not all, some products. Okay. So home loans, some part of that is outsourced over here. See, that's why it's predominantly horizontally organized. The customer database over here is common for some part. See this, some part that is common, right? So this is at level 2. Then I come to level 3, predominantly vertically organized, means majority of the products have the same customer database. See this, same customer database. Okay. And majority of the products are holding that. So they are in tandem with each other. See this common portion. Okay. So in predominantly vertically organized, we have majority of the products having the common database, but not all. And last one and the important one is this 4th. This is the model which all the banks should follow now. Vertically organized, customer capture, originate, service, close, means all these things are done for all the products. So all the products use the same database, right? Got it now? Okay. Now I'll ask you a few questions. Okay. Now answer me. See here, directly we can take the test over here. Okay. It's immediate, immediate test which I am taking. Suppose if the database of the saving customer is used for loans. Okay. All the database of okay, not only saving. Okay. If the database of only saving customer is used for loans, only saving, not other, not current, not all, only saving, means out of my bank having 10 products, only saving database is used for other products, means let's say loan. So what is that model? Is that horizontally organized or predominantly horizontally organized, or that other two? So which one? Right. The answer is, just answer me in 1, 2, 3 and 4, the red ones which I have marked. So it is what? Predominantly horizontally or horizontally, means only saving database I am using. So it is correct. Predominantly horizontally. Why? Because some products. What was the definition of predominantly? The database of some products is used. Okay. Now next one. The bank has a common database. Means all the employees can access the database of all the customers. So this is which model? 1, 2, 3 or 4. The red ones which I have marked. Don't follow these given earlier ones. Follow the red ones which I have marked. Don't follow this 1, 2. Okay. So what is the answer over here now? 1, 2, 3 or 4 means the bank has a common database for all the products. So it is what? 1, 2, 3 or 4? It is 4. Correct. 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Now look at the image. My bank has outsourced some part of my home loan section. So which is this model then? Outsource some part of my home loan section. That is 1, 2, 3 or 4. Fast one. Fast, fast, fast. Yeah. It is correct. Second, predominantly horizontally organized. Okay. Okay. Mainly in all the nationalized banks, which model is mainly used? 1, 2, 3 or 4. Means as per the books. Here, presently the situations are different. Okay. Or you can answer, okay, you answer me as per your knowledge of your banking, of your bank. So which model is mainly used in nationalized banks? Horizontally organized, predominantly horizontally, predominantly vertically or vertically organized? Is it 1, 2, 3 or 4? Okay. So it depends on bank to bank, but mainly it is now we have gone to predominantly vertically. Okay. It's not vertically, fully vertically is not there in still nationalized banks. Some banks it is there. Okay. But not all. Predominantly vertically is used nowadays mainly in all the all the nationalized banks. Okay. Yeah. Now next one. Your branch manager gives you a target to everyone, means from clearing, cash, loan, every employee. He gives you a target of insurance, insurance sale. So which model are we talking of? Horizontally, I'll just call it PH. Horizontally, PH, PV or vertically? Which model are we talking of? Your branch manager gives you a target of all the products, means insurance he gives you to all the employees. Let the employee be from any section. So which is that model? Correct. He is giving you a target from vertically organized model. Means what? You have to use the database of all the customers and sell insurance to that customer. Okay. Next one. Next one. The call centers do give the calling, right, for various credit cards to all the customers, right? You also might be getting the calls. Do you want this credit card? Do you want that credit card? So on what model are they working? 1, 2, 3 or 4? Which model are they working? Means what is the database of with them? So they are working with 1, 2, 3 or 4. Which one? Fast, fast, fast. Yes, it is. Everyone, it is 4. Correct. Because they are using the database of all the banking system. Whatever banking system, if you are a customer of this XYZ bank, then you might be from any department. You might be having the account of savings, of current, of loan, of anything. But the same database will be used by the call center guys. Okay, got it? Move on. Chalo. Next one. Now Maslow's hierarchy. Maslow's need hierarchy and customer requirement. Now this is very important from exam point of view. Why? Because here Maslow had given 5 levels, right? Everyone has studied this in your JAIIB also and also in your ABM, right? HR. So what we'll study over here is not only hierarchy, but the product selling for that hierarchy. Means what? Need level. See this. Physiological need. Firstly, go through the these hierarchies first. Which are the hierarchies? First, physiological needs. Second, security, safety. Third is social needs. Fourth is esteem. Fifth is self-actualization. These are the 5 needs which are there in Maslow's hierarchy, right? Physiological means what? Basic one. The one hand to mouth. Okay. Security means the person is having a stable job. Okay. Now he needs some security in his life. Then social needs means here the human being wants to others to know what he is. Esteem. Here the human being wants to have a big car, big house, He is at the highest level almost. And self-actualization means he is above this level, and now he understands, let me be at the general manager level or at the MD level. I am always facing the same problem, getting the orders from the senior and passing it on to the juniors, okay, and getting it done. So that person is in the self-actualization needs, means he consider everything as same. So now in this case, what are the products you will be selling from the exam point of view and banker's point of view? See this, physiological need. So here the person is hand to mouth. So you can't sell him 1 lakh premium insurance. So what will you sell him? Cost saving account, core saving accounts, personal accident cover, right? And housing loans. So these are sold to physiological needs persons. Everyone pay attention, okay? I'll ask you questions after this. Security safety, recurring FD, all these deposits, life insurance products means endowment with low premium, long tenor, higher maturity, tax planning, banking, insurance and mutual fund products. So these are all sold to security safety, right? Social needs, consumer loans, personal loans, home loans, car loans, professionals, insurance cover tagged above loans, okay, retail gold loans, health policies for self and family. So that will come under social needs, okay? Everyone clear? Pay attention again, watch this video again and again, okay? Everyone kindly like this video. I'll just stop for 1 minute. Everyone kindly like this video. Comment in the put it in the comment section if you have understood this Maslow and this higher earlier models. Okay. If you have understood this, type yes in the comment section. Everyone, type yes. I'll just wait over here. Okay. Next one is esteem needs. Esteem means somebody wants that yes, I am something. I am having this car, that car. Okay. So special deposit products, term insurance products, second housing loan, improvement home decor loan. So all these are given for esteem leads. Also some higher end cars, okay, means somebody Mercedes Benz or Porsche, these cars will be sold to esteem needs, right? Self actualization needs. So retirement solutions for banking, because that person is generally at the age of at the highest level of the age, right? So you will be selling him or her, not him. Okay, pensioners loans you will be selling that person. Retirement solutions you will be selling to that person. Senior citizens term deposit schemes you will be selling. Plus other products. Now which is the main loan which you sell it to this pensioners? Which is the main loan you sell it? Every bank is having that product now. That is called as, yes, loan. And I'll just give you the hint. In that loan, you need not repay that loan. You need not repay. That is also a facility available in that loan. That loan is called as reverse mortgage. Correct. Reverse mortgage loan. Kindly follow that reverse mortgage. Okay. Okay. So now I'll ask you the questions on this. Now your bank has brought a savings account which is Jan Dhan account. Okay. Means zero balance. Whom will you sell this Jan Dhan account to? I'll just see, write the numbers over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Just give me the numbers in the answer. Whom will you sell it to? Number 1 person, number 2, number 3. Okay, just take these 3 only. 1, 2, 3. Whom will you sell it to? Jan Dhan account. You will be selling it to, correct, number 1. Correct, physiological needs. Correct. Now, your bank has brought a insurance product whose premium is 10,000 rupees per year. Per annum 10,000. Whom will you sell that product to? Number 1, number 2 or number 4, 5. Okay, I'll give you these two options now. Number 1, number 2, number 4, number 5. So whom will you sell it to? 1, 2, 4 or 5. Correct? You will be selling it to 2 obviously, isn't it? Because 10,000 per annum, that can be paid by this security or safety needs person. Physiological person can't pay it. These two persons won't be liking it. Okay, 10,000 premium. So it is definitely sold to this. Okay, yeah. Now one more question. There is a new car in the market. That car is costing something 1 crore. Porsche car. It has bought a new car, new model of the car, and your bank is offering a loan for that Porsche car. Your bank is offering a loan for that Porsche car. So whom will you sell this product to? This loan will be sold to. Okay, I'll give you three options, 3, 4 and 5. Obviously 1 and 2 are out. So whom will you be selling it to? 3, 4 or 5? Porsche car, 1 crore car. So that will be sold to definitely 5. Self-actualization. Okay, mean this person will be having huge. In fact, yeah, 4 also you can sell it. Okay, 4 or 5, you can have both the answers over here. 4 or 5, because what happens in the retirement age after 60, person generally doesn't think about this Porsche car. He says car is a car. Okay, because that is the person's. So yeah, okay, correct answer will be 4 over here. Esteem needs 4, 4, 4. Let's go with 4 only. That's the correct answer. 4. Okay, got it? Yeah. Now you have a FD product with your bank. FD. Okay, whom will you sell the FD to? FD of let's say 1 lakh. Your bank has brought the FD of 1 lakh, and so whom will you sell this FD product to? Okay, I'll give you two combined options now. One option is 1 and 2. Okay, FD product of 1 lakh, 1 and 2. Second option is 2 and 3. And okay, let's keep it only two options, 1 and 2 and 2 and 3. So whom will you sell it to? Mainly to target the right customer. You will be selling it to? Yes, correct. Second option, 2 and 3. Because physiological need person, he can't afford to keep these FDs. He is hand to mouth person, right? So that person will definitely not go for this FD product. 2 and 3 may go, because these are safety need person and social needs. So they'll definitely go for it. Okay, got it? So clear this concept? Okay. So now before going, I'll just come back to this batch. See, this batch is going on for retail from morning 7 to 8 and evening 8 to 10 p.m. Okay, 3 hours batch is this. Okay, every day it's going on. So even if you have missed some batches, not to worry, you can get the recorded videos for this. You can use this code Y432 to get the maximum discounts. Now how to use this code, I'll show you live over here. Okay, let's go to Adda 24/7. Say this. Okay, on Adda 24/7, once you go, say this, click on JAIIB and CAIIB. So this, click on JAIIB and CAIIB. Now if you are having this app, it's the best. Okay, you'll get 1% extra in this. Now what is the discount you'll be getting? Let's see. Say this over here. So click on all the batches now. BFM is gone. ABM, BFM, retail, only retail. Click on this retail batch. Okay, in this retail batch, now you see the details are given. See this, all these 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 7 to 8 a.m. and 8 to 10 p.m. also. I am telling you that also. That is also there. Okay, so you can definitely go for this and click on view offers. See the offers over here. So in the offers you will see the code Y432. Y432. Put the code Y432. Click on apply. Now look at this. 3599 reduces to 719. Okay. So 3599 reduce means in 719, in how many months will you recover? Once you clear the CAIIB, right? ABM, BFM you have already cleared, right? That's why you are focusing on the retail. So in 1 month only you will recover everything. Go for this batch immediately. Okay. Now I'll tell you about this May 23, what is going on in this portion. Okay, May 23 portion will have, look at this, for those who don't know. Okay, this portion will have 4 compulsory products: ABM, BFM, ABFM and BRBL. Now ABFM means what? Advanced Business and Financial Management. Look at the topics: management process, advanced concepts of financial management, valuation mergers, okay, emerging business solutions. BRBL legal, okay, regulations and compliance, important laws and legal aspects of banking. These are in 2 parts, okay, part A and part B. Then commercial and other laws, okay, means basically mercantile laws they are talking of. Okay, so 2 separate papers are there. And about electives, rural, HR, IT, central and race. There is no retail elective. Okay, negative marking is there. We are there with all the batches, so you can definitely join Adda 24/7 for these batches. Okay, there is a negative marking over here. Also important part is there are subjective questions as well. Subjective means you will have to write the answers. That's what they are planning. Okay, so try to clear this exam in this December only, rather than going for some May exam. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow with another session.